Here are a few clips from Horror Nights 26 of Chance at the Scareactor dining experience. Unfortunately, Universal no longer has the Scareactor dining experience. It was really cool, especially when you can have a character like Chance.
Ready for my aerobics video. Try it. Yeah. Huh?
No.
So cool. What? Are you videoing?
Yes, I am.
Aerobics video. Wow. Want me to sing your song?
Sure.
Okay, ready? I love you, a bushel and a peck, a bushel and a peck, and I might slit your neck. I might slit your neck, and I'll probably punch your face. I'll probably punch your face, and I'll spray your eyes with mace. I love you.
All right.
Yeah!
Wow. I feel honored.
Yay! Thank you. I know.
Art the Clown is walking around this year and sometimes goes into Finnegan's, but it's not quite the same thing. And remember, on season never ends.
Are you videoing?
Yeah, video.
Oh,
Sorry.
guess what? You don't stand a chance.
I don't get it.
What?
What do you mean?
What do you
Just not
mean?
a chance.